Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting trading session. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a powerful scalping strategy using Bollinger Bands. If you've been following my channel, you probably know that I've already covered Bollinger Bands in a few previous videos, explaining how this amazing indicator can help traders make consistent profits with ease. If you're new to the channel, I highly recommend checking out those videos first to get a solid understanding of how Bollinger Bands work and why they are so effective in trading. For this session, I'll be trading Bitcoin versus the US dollar on a 1-minute time frame. This setup is perfect for scalpers who want to take advantage of quick price movements and maximize their trading opportunities. So stay tuned and let's dive into the strategy. All right, let's get started by adding the Bollinger Bands indicator to our chart. Bollinger Bands are a great tool for identifying price volatility and potential trade opportunities. In addition to the Bollinger Bands, I'll also be adding the Bollinger Bands Cent B indicator. This indicator helps us understand where the price is positioned within the bands, giving us even more insights into potential breakouts and reversals. Now, both of these indicators are default tools available on most trading platforms, so you should have no trouble finding and adding them to your own chart. Oops, looks like I accidentally added 2 B cent indicators instead of 1. No worries, I'll quickly remove the extra one to keep the chart clean and easy to read. Next, I'll right-click on the Cent B indicator and select Move To. From the options that appear, I'll choose Existing Pane Above. This will neatly organize the Cent B indicator in the same section as the other indicators, making our analysis much more streamlined and efficient. Now, this next step is really important. We need to make sure that both indicators are properly displayed on the chart by selecting the Auto Fits Data to Screen option. This setting helps adjust the chart view so that all the important price movements and indicator signals are clearly visible. If you skip this step, you might find that parts of the indicators get cut off or don't align properly with the price action, which can make it harder to analyze the market accurately. Make sure you apply this setting to both the Bollinger Bands and the Bollinger Bands Cent B indicators. Once that's done, everything will be perfectly aligned and our setup will be ready to go. Now we're all set to dive into the strategy and start spotting trading opportunities. Now, let's get into the strategy. It's super simple and easy to follow. The key idea here is to use the Bollinger Bands Cent B indicator to identify breakout signals. Here's how it works. Whenever the Cent B line moves outside and below the lower Bollinger Band, it signals a potential bearish breakout. This means the price is breaking out to the downside and we take a sell trade at this point. Similarly, whenever the Cent B line moves outside and above the upper Bollinger Band, it indicates a bullish breakout. This tells us that the price is pushing higher and we take a buy trade in this case. Now let's look at an example in our chart. Here, the Cent B green line has crossed below the lower Bollinger Band. This is a clear sell signal, meaning we enter a short trade right at this point. We can close the trade when the Cent B line moves back inside the lower Bollinger Band, indicating that the price is stabilizing. Another exit option is when the Cent B line crosses the candle itself, which often suggests a shift in momentum. That's the entire strategy. It's simple yet effective for catching breakout trades with clear entry and exit points. I hope you got a good understanding of how this works. Now, let's test this out in the live market and see it in action. Now, take a look at what's happening on the chart. You'll notice that both the Cent B line and the price have crossed above the average line of the Bollinger Bands. This is a strong buy signal, indicating that the price has gained momentum and is likely to move higher. Based on this setup, we can expect the price to rise towards the upper Bollinger Band, which acts as our target. This presents us with a great quick scalping opportunity, perfect for capturing small but profitable price movements. Since all the conditions align, I'm entering a buy trade right here. Let's see how the price moves and where we can plan our exit. Now, take a look at the Cent B line. It has reached the upper Bollinger Band, which typically acts as our exit point for a buy trade. This means that the price has moved as expected and we can choose to close the trade here for a quick profit. However, there's another important possibility to watch for. If the Cent B line crosses above the upper Bollinger Band, it signals a bullish breakout. This means the price could continue to rise even further, giving us an opportunity to capture more profits. Since I want to maximize my gains, I'm waiting to see if this breakout happens before making my next move. If the cent B line pushes above the band, I'll hold the trade longer. Otherwise, I'll close the trade at the upper band and secure my profits. Let's see how this plays out. Look at that. The cent B line has crossed above the upper Bollinger Band, which confirms a bullish breakout. This is exactly what we were waiting for. Since a breakout has occurred, I'm going to stay in the trade and let the price continue its upward momentum. According to this strategy, this is the ideal position for a quick scalping trade. When we enter a trade at the point of a bullish breakout, when the price pushes above the upper band, or a bearish breakout, when the price drops below the lower band, there's a high probability of making a profit. These breakouts often lead to strong price movements, allowing us to capitalize on momentum-based trades. By following this approach, we can take advantage of these quick price surges and make efficient, profitable trades. Let's see how this trade plays out. I'm sure some of you might be wondering about the settings I'm using for this strategy. Well, let me clear that up. I'm actually using the default settings for both the Bollinger Bands and the Bollinger Bands cent B indicators. There's no need to adjust anything. Just adding them to the chart as they are will work perfectly fine for this strategy. However, to make things easier for you to follow along, I'll change the color of the cent B indicator to yellow. This will make it stand out more clearly against the chart, so you can easily see how it moves in relation to the Bollinger Bands. Since we're focusing on scalping, it's absolutely crucial to exit the trade at the right time. Unlike swing trading or long-term positions, scalping is all about quick entries and exits to lock in profits before the market reverses. If we hold on to the trade for too long, the price might reverse, and we could end up losing the profit we just made. So when should we exit the trade? According to our strategy, there are two clear exit signals. One, when the cent B line moves back inside the upper Bollinger Band. This indicates that the price is losing momentum and might start pulling back. It's a good point to take our profits and secure the gains. Two, when the cent B line crosses the candle. This is another strong signal that the price movement is slowing down and a reversal could be coming. Exiting here ensures we don't get caught in an unexpected price drop. By following these exit rules, we can make sure we're scalping effectively and profitably without overstaying in the trade. All right, now let's wait and see if one of these exit signals appears. Take a close look at the cent B yellow line. It has just crossed back inside the upper Bollinger Band. And as per our strategy, this is a clear exit signal. This tells us that the price has lost some momentum and a reversal could be on the way. So I'm going to close my trade right now and secure the profits. Now look at what happens next. The price starts to reverse exactly as expected. This gives us a new opportunity to take a sell trade. According to our strategy, we enter a short position here and then exit when the price reaches the middle Bollinger Band, the average line. This ensures we capture a quick but profitable trade in the opposite direction. I hope you found this strategy useful. It's a straightforward yet effective way to scalp the market using Bollinger Bands and cent B. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, and share it with others. Your support helps the channel grow and motivates me to bring you even more powerful trading strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.